Hi guys, this is Shade Finis and welcome back to my channel. And today we're going to talk about how to get free online courses from Udemy. So if you're a freelancer and you want to upgrade your skills, or if you're someone who's new and you don't know what kind of skills you need to become a freelancer and want to check out the resources online, then this training is for you. So this channel is dedicated to work at home parents and freelancers. And if you want to see more of my videos and get updated, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so that every time I upload a new video, you would get the notifications. So let's dive right into this. This is Udemy's website, and if you're not familiar with Udemy, then this is a site where you could get a lot of online courses from. The creators of the courses are different people with different expertise, and so this is like a university for online freelancers or for those people who just want to learn something new online. So the first thing that you would need to do if you still don't have an account is to sign up. You just click the button here above, and then what I would suggest, actually, as someone who has been working online, is for you to sign up with your email. You choose this option, and that's because what I realized is that when you sign up using Google, once your Google account gets hacked or this account gets hacked, then all the rest of your accounts that is connected with Google will be hacked as well. And as someone who has used LastPass for the past couple of years for clients, I realized that when a client has used Google for one account, and when they share it with me, I get the access even to their Gmail, even to their Google Drives, even if they just sent me the access for example, for their YouTube channel. So that's one tip for you. Always use, when signing up, always sign up with your email separately. So it's a very fast process. You just have to fill in your name, your email, your password. If you want to receive exclusive deals, depends on you, if whether you want it or not, but the sign up process is that easy and simple. So let's now go, since I already have an account, I don't want to go through this process anymore. So let's now go to the website where I already have my account set up. Okay, so as you can see, we are now here in the Udemy website where my account is already set up. So what you will see here are the courses I've taken or have downloaded, and all of them are free. You would see here the featured courses, the top courses, and what I want you to do is to search here for the skill that you want. So for example, let's just search for social media marketing. There it goes. And then what you want to do is to look for the filters. So here is the filters. You will see it right here. You would find first the most popular, and then you will find the filters right here below. And what I want you to do is to click this free filter and then hit apply. And then all the courses that are free for social media marketing will be shown to you, and you just gotta choose which one. So if you want to learn social media management, there's a course here that's free. It has a rating of 4.2 with 1,600 ratings. That's actually a good number already. Building a Facebook chat bot. So yeah, pretty much every skill that you need is already here. And so maybe you want SEO. Let's try that out. So now you see that the filters you could find the filters here on top, and you just do the same thing. Filter and then click the free. There are 396 free trainings on this topic alone. So you hit apply, and then there you go. Boom. Free SEO trainings with a lot of top ratings. 4.6, a pretty high rating with 100 ratings, so that's already pretty good. And you want to make sure that the SEO training that you get is updated, so you want to check it out before you actually download it. And so that's what I have for you today, guys. I don't want to go into all the other skills that you want to search. Just go ahead and search, apply the filters, choose the free ones, and then boom, dive right in. So I hope you got value from this today. If you want more tips, tutorials, and techniques and tools for your freelancing business, especially if you're a work-at-home parent, then make sure you subscribe, you comment down below, and you hit the bell notification. See you again next time. Bye-bye.